going to resume our work, and we are going to see about the service, Kubernetes service, so how we create. So here, if you can see, we started creating a file touch nginx service.yml. So what I did here, you can see yes, this here you can see I have created this file, then I opened this file nginx service.yml and I pasted the contents here for the service creation. So here you can see kind is the major change is kind is of service, so it is a service type, and the name of the service is nginx service, and then there is NodePort nginx. Okay, so specification is this, and port is 80 and target port is 80. So this target port is actually for the node, I think. External URL would be there. So the same content I copied and then pasted it here in the VIM. So let me show you. Here you can see the same thing I copied and pasted. After that, I need to run the apply command, kubectl apply -f, then our file name, service file name. So it is here our service file name. I applied, and you can see here service nginx service created. And now we need to check if our service is running or not. We can see here by running the command which is given here, like kubectl get service svc. Okay, so here you can see it is giving name, then type, then cluster IP, external IP, port, and age. So here you can see there are two services. One is this cluster IP, which is Kubernetes minikube Kubernetes, but the service, if you can see, which we created, it is NodePort. Here you can see in the file this NodePort type is NodePort. So cluster type here in the type, it is NodePort type. The cluster IP, which is given here 10.10, this one. Then here you can see it's listening on port this, and then this is the HTTP URL. And then we run this command, which is given here minikube service nginx service. So if we run that, you can see here it is given namespace, which is default namespace. We have not created any namespace especially for this. And then name of the service is nginx service, target port is 80, and then URL is this one, http 192 this. So we can click on this URL and we can go to the browser. You can see it is not secure, but yeah, it is saying welcome to nginx. If you see this page, the nginx web server is successfully installed and working. Further configuration is required for online documentation support. Okay, so this web page we see when a service is running, right? Now let's move ahead. What you have now, like we have a client, we have a node port, then a service, then pods, load balance. Okay, so this was all related to the service of the basically Kubernetes service.